So we've been sitting in traffic for a minute. There's a accident in front of us, and they got 3 lanes blocked. So we're making sure we leave more than enough of a gap in front of us. There's a cop back there, or several of them that are blocking off the road. So I guess we'll see what's going on once we get it up a little bit further. We'll try to hold this steadier. Go ahead and pick up a little bit more speed. Go ahead and pick up some more speed. So it looks like a trailer was dropped. Looks like a fire occurred. Yeah, a fire definitely occurred. Oh, damn. I say she got a little hot. Yep, truck got a little hot. I guess the AC wasn't working. Anyway, see ya.